It's Mommy Cray Cray,
Naya, and Ellie.
and today we are at Blizzard Beach here at Disney World.
Yes.
So we're gonna take you guys all around with us as we get in the water and have a lot of fun. Are you guys ready?
Yes, let's go.
And there's Grandma. Hi. Grandma's not getting on anything.
Let's go. Come
That's
on.
It's a very good precaution. Do not enter water if you are ill with diarrhea. Oh no, that would be unfortunate. So please do not go in the water if you are ill with diarrhea. Thanks. Ellie? So you have to take your tube and drag it all the way to the top of the slide. There's the little inner tube guy to let you know. Ellie's struggling.
Guys, YouTube, this is very hard for you.
Ellie looks like a turtle.
At my age, you'll not be happy. If you're like hot, you won't be happy.
Ellie, you like a turtle whose back came off.
If you're baby, you will be happy.
We're about to put our inner tube in this little thing and then shoot down. Get going. Alright, here I go. Hope my camera don't get wet. Woo! Whoa! 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 Here comes Ellie, guys. I see her. Woo! Ellie! Alright, hop off, Ellie. Hop off. Here comes Naya. Woo!
This is so much fun. When I went down, I was like, super scared. Like I was gonna fall in the water, but I didn't. I was like floating. Like it's fun. Like you don't like fall in the water.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This one is cold.
We made the finish line or something. No.
This is great. That was great.
All right, so are you guys gonna be strong enough to hold on?
No.
Oh, all right, you're under. You don't want to do it?
No, I'm gonna watch Ellie fail. It scares me. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna be brave. They have no calluses.
No callosaurs.
I'm gonna go on it.
Really?
Yes, I'm not. Water deep is 6 inches.
Enjoy your ride. Nah, you're really not gonna go?
No, I know.
You are?
Kind of. Oh my goodness.
Looks like I won't get on this because I'm way over the height. Who's going first, Ellie? Is it you or is it Naya? All right, Ellie's first. Fahrenheit drop. If you cannot fit under that banner, you cannot go down. Let's see if I fit under the banner. No. All right, Ellie, here it comes. Are you nervous? Walk up, walk up. Hold on to it and go. Woo! No, she's got it. Look, she's doggy paddling. She's got it. All right, so Ellie did an amazing flip. Now let's check out Naya. And go, Naya. Woo! So guys, Ellie did this crazy backflip and needed to get rescued. Naya, what happened to you?
I jumped in and my boat just got all the chlorine in
She
there.
forgot to hold her breath.
I thought I was gonna sink on the water and I was never gonna come back. But
Yeah, you got rescued?
yeah, I don't need rescue.
You don't need rescue, you're strong?
You see these muscles?
I don't see any muscle. There's not one muscle in sight. Naya, how are you feeling now? You
I'm
better?
okay, yeah.
You sure?
Just
You don't want to go sit with Grandma in her wheelchair?
No, I'm okay.
You need a wheelchair?
No. Look how beautiful it is, Mommy. Daddy will lose if he wanted to sit really back, okay?
So we are on the chairlift up to Mount
Look,
Gushmore.
Mommy, do not swim.
Do not bounce or swing, I think it says. So we're on the chairlift to Mount Gushmore, and Mount Gushmore terrifies me. I really don't want to go up here, but I can't let them go up here by themselves. So it's one of those situations where Mommy takes one for the team. Not fun.
And we have to go up those sides?
No, that's the slide. That is the slide of terror for me. Look, 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 here he comes, look.
Oh my God!
Look, you can see them at the top. That's where you come down from.
So you just, like,
I don't know how I did that before.
What, you go backwards?
No, you go straight. Look, watch the next person. Ellie, look at the top. Wait till we can see it. Look, here he comes. Oh my Lord. Hurry up so we can see you. There he goes. Look, look, look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord, help us. I will not be doing that. No. No, 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 no. I will not be doing that. Oh, people throw their hairbands. Is that like some type of good luck charm? I'd like to know. Look at this beautiful up here. You can see over there, you can see parts of the park.
This is so nice.
Now, it's really magical up here. It's really pretty. That actually was a fun ride.
What?
Oh, look, they're pushing people in the water. Oh, no! Look at this! No, dude.
Go ahead and hop out, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Take your time.
Okay.
Oh, you're not gonna splash out?
Why would I ever do that?
People.
Oh, yes! Yes! Ellie, stand up! Really, Ellie?
Really, Ellie?
Alright, so that was pretty fun. I have to admit, that raft ride was probably my favorite here.
Let's do it again.
It's definitely my favorite water ride I've been on at any park.
It's like you stretch your
That was fun.
for a second, but
It was fun without being scary. If there were more heavier people in there, it would have gone way faster.
yeah, that's right. Next time we need 10,900. Okay, Ellie.
Okay, really? 10,900. That's how many people we need on there.
And we'll go so fast that we'll all fall off.
What?
Actually, Ellie,
That we all fall off. On your mark, get set, go. All right, here See if Naya can make the next step.
Eli!
Woohoo! Naya, no! No! Get back on it! Ellie! Ellie, did you just float? Rescue her! Rescue her! Oh! Come on, Ellie, step! Uh-oh, this is... Thank you! Woo! Okay, so we just had ice cream. I'll insert a picture here. It was lovely. Naya didn't like it because she doesn't like ice cream, but she tried. So now we're going in the lazy river. Ellie has a little one. Naya has a big one. Okay, so we are in the lazy river right now, and as you can see, let's see if we can get Ellie. There's Ellie. It's pretty relaxing, if I do say so. I don't particularly like all the slides and stuff anymore at my age, but I do like riding down the river. Little bugs are on me. Look, Ellie! Ellie, look! I'm spinning! I'm spinning with my hands up. Spinning with my hands up. Woo! Ellie's like a little bug back there. Try to catch you. Oh no, we got all these tubes in between us. Ellie's gone downriver. All right, come on, Naya. Come on, grab hold of me. Woo!
I have a little brand in case we get loose.
We have, no, that thing will pop. All right, let's see if we can catch Ellie.
Well, no, we get to go in the cave together.
Oh no!
That's why I kept coming up because I was.
We caught you, Ellie.
No.
Stay right there.
We're coming.
We're coming.
What if she falls down in the cave?
So I'm pretty nervous about going down this waterfall. Look at that water. It's really pretty though. We have a stowaway. We have a stowaway. Oh no, my camera. My camera. No. All right, we gotta hide it. Oh. Guys, I got my camera wet. It's a little blurry, I apologize. Oh, wow! Oh no, Ellie, look what's coming up! Down there!
Oh, you like that?
No, Ellie, what are you digging my butt? Ellie, do not flip me over. Guys, she's trying to flip me over, legitimately. No, Ellie, I knew you were trying that. No, Ellie. Ellie, no. Guys, she's trying to get us in that water. No, Ellie. Ellie, no. No, Ellie, get Naya. No, Ellie, let's go. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear me or not because Ellie decided to push me into the waterfall. So I may have to get a new camera. Yeah. Not good news. mind doing the closed one, but I don't know if I can do them steps again. Them steps were.
That was cool.
Did those steps kill you?
That was fun.
All right, those steps are like.
That was a blast.
So that was an amazing day at Blizzard Beach. I think tomorrow we may go to the water park again. We may go to Discovery Cove, or we'll go to Typhoon Lagoon, or we may come back here. You never know. So we'll see you next time. Make sure you check out our Instagram, Naya and Ellie, and also Mommy Cray Cray. Lots of pictures and fun on there. And also make sure you check out Naya versus Ellie for Slime Pool.